Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin predictions for December 2024. As the end of the year approaches, many aspiring immigrants are closely monitoring the Visa Bulletin for December 2024. This monthly publication serves as a critical guide for individuals seeking permanent residency in the United States, providing updates on visa availability across various categories. Understanding these predictions is essential for applicants, as they can influence planning and expectations for visa processing times. In this video, we will explore anticipated trends and movements in both family-sponsored and employment-based categories, offering insights that can help navigate the complexities of the immigration process. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. For millions of individuals navigating the complexities of U.S. immigration, the predictions surrounding the Visa Bulletin provide critical insights into when they might finally apply for and obtain their green cards. Whether waiting in employment-based or family-based categories, understanding these projections can significantly impact applicants' plans and expectations. The State Department has released the November 2024 Visa Bulletin, outlining the availability of green cards for the upcoming month. Notably, the government estimates that approximately 165,000 green cards will be allocated to employment-based categories in fiscal year 2024. This figure marks a decrease from the 197,000 available in FY 2023, but remains 25,000 higher than the legal limit of 140,000 due to the carryover of unused family-based green cards from the previous fiscal year. However, the landscape of immigration remains complicated, with significant backlogs persisting in both family and employment-based categories. The time it takes for applicants to receive a green card varies based on the petition category and the applicant's country of birth. To help individuals stay informed, the Visa Bulletin is updated monthly, and interested parties can subscribe to a free email newsletter for real-time updates. Family-based categories Visa Bulletin predictions for December 2024. The predictions for family-based categories for December 2024 provide a glimpse into potential advancements or retrogressions in final action dates. While these estimates are based on recent trends and movements, they should not be construed as legal advice. F1 Unmarried adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 2 to 3 months of movement. Philippines 4 to 6 weeks of movement. All other countries 1 to 2 weeks of movement. F2 espouses and minor, unmarried sons daughters of LPRS. Mexico 6 to 8 weeks of movement. All other countries 6 to 8 weeks of movement. F2B unmarried adult sons daughters of LPRs. Mexico 1 to 2 months of movement. Philippines 2 to 4 weeks of movement. All other countries 1 to 2 weeks of movement. F3 married adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 6 to 8 weeks of movement. Philippines little or no movement. All other countries 2 to 4 weeks of movement. F4 brothers sisters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 1 to 2 weeks of movement. India 1 to 2 weeks of movement. Philippines 3 to 4 weeks of movement. All other countries little or no movement. Employment-based categories Visa Bulletin predictions for December 2024. The employment-based categories also present a complex picture. The predictions for December indicate potential challenges due to high demand in certain areas. These forecasts, while based on recent movements, should also be interpreted cautiously. The U.S. State Department has noted that high demand in the employment second and third categories may necessitate retrogressions in the worldwide final action dates to ensure compliance with the annual limits for FY 2024. The situation is closely monitored, and adjustments will be made as necessary. EB1 priority workers. India 4 to 6 weeks of movement. China little or no movement. All other countries remain current. EB2 members of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability. India little or no movement. China little or no movement. All other countries little or no movement. EB3 professionals and skilled workers. India little or no movement. China little or no movement. All other countries little or no movement. Understanding the broader impact. For both family and employment categories, it is crucial to recognize the implications of numerical limits and per-country caps established by U.S. immigration law. Each year, no more than 7% of the total number of EB and FB preference visas can be allocated to individuals from any one country, which significantly impacts applicants from nations like Mexico and the Philippines. For example, siblings of U.S. citizens face waits of over 15 years in many parts of the world, escalating to 20 years for applicants from the Philippines and more than 22 years for those from Mexico. These lengthy delays underscore the frustration faced by millions awaiting family-sponsored green cards and hundreds of thousands seeking employment-sponsored green cards. Many individuals in these categories currently reside in the U.S. on temporary work visas, but as their children approach the age of 21, they risk losing their lawful immigration status, leading to potential family separations. In conclusion, the Visa Bulletin predictions for December 2024 highlight the ongoing challenges and complexities within the U.S. immigration system. Staying informed through regular updates and consultations with immigration professionals can help applicants navigate these obstacles and prepare for the future. In summary, the Visa Bulletin for December 2024 is poised to bring both opportunities and challenges for prospective immigrants. While some categories may experience forward movement, others, particularly those involving applicants from countries with high demand, may continue to face significant backlogs. Staying informed about these predictions and understanding their implications can empower individuals to make strategic decisions about their immigration journeys. As always, applicants should consult with immigration professionals to ensure they are prepared for any changes that may arise in the ever-evolving landscape of U.S. immigration policy. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin prediction for December 2024. For millions of individuals navigating US immigration, the Visa Bulletin predictions are essential for understanding when they can apply for and obtain their green cards. The State Department has issued the November 2024 Visa Bulletin indicating that approximately 165,000 green cards will be available in employment-based categories for fiscal year 2024. This figure reflects a decrease from 197,000 in FY 2023 but remains 25,000 above the mandated 140,000 due to carryover from unused family-based green cards in the previous year. However, significant backlogs persist in both family and employment-based categories, impacting the time it takes for applicants to receive their green cards. The Visa Bulletin is updated monthly, allowing interested individuals to subscribe to a free email newsletters for the latest information. The prediction for a family-based categories for December 2024 offers insights into potential advancements or delays in a final action dates. For instance, the F1 category, unmarried adults, sons and daughters of US citizens, is expected to see movement of 2 to 3 months. For applicants from Mexico, 4 to 6 weeks. For those from the Philippines, and 1 to 2 weeks for applicants from all other countries. In the F2A categories, spouses and minor children or lawful permanent residents, both Mexico and other countries may experience 6 to 8 weeks of movement. The prediction also highlight longer waits for certain categories such as F3, married adult sons and daughters of US citizens, and F4, brothers and sisters of US citizens. In the employment-based categories, high demand is anticipated to create challenges. The US State Department notes that strong demand in the employment second and third categories may require retrogations in the worldwide final action date to adhere to annual limits for FY 2024. For the EB1 category, priority workers, applicants from India may see movement of 4 to 6 weeks, while those from China and all other countries are expected to remain current in the EB2 and EB3 categories. Little to no movement is anticipated for applicants from India, China and all other countries. The broader implication of numerical limits and the per country caps stabilized by US immigration law further complicate the situation each year. No more than 7% of the total number of employment and family preferences visas can allocated to individuals from any one country. This proportionally impacting applicants from countries like Mexico and the Philippines. As a result, siblings of US citizens face wait times exceeding 15 years, with even longer wait for applicants from the Philippines and Mexico. This video poses significant challenges for families, especially those on a temporary work visas, as they risk losing lawful immigration status when their children turn 21. Overall, the Visa Bulletin prediction for December 2024 underscore the complexities of the US immigration system, emphasizing the importance of staying informed and seeking professional guidance.